What is up, YouTube crew? It's your boy Cole, and we are back at it from the smoking section once again with yet another real raw and uncut reaction for you guys. Today we're gonna switch it up a little. We're gonna check out, do a little reaction to a bad lip reading of. Let's see, which one is this? Bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. Seagulls in parentheses. I don't know what the hell that means, but it's got like 70 million views, 71 million views. It's like a year old, so it's got to be pretty damn funny. Guys, we're gonna cut this talk short, and we're gonna hop up in this video and see what they talking about, what kind of shit they talking. Seagulls, stop it now.
Ready for your thoughts. I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants. Stuff a little music can't help.
Oh God.
Down to the beach, I'm strolling. But the seagulls poking my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
Alright, so far, I've watched a couple bad lip readings before. I watched a couple of the ones from the 2016 presidential race or whatever, like the debates and stuff, which were hilarious, by the way. Those debates were hilarious either way. So, but yeah, this is the first time I've ever watched one they turned into a song though, so that's interesting.
Since he was gonna come, I'm gonna come back.
Guys, I just want to take a moment and reiterate the visual they're putting out right now of the seagulls attacking Yoda, and apparently he's afraid of them. So. Oh, he switched up the flow. Dirty. That shit was dirty.
Show you some dance moves. No, I wanted to. But there's no giant feet out there on the beach. Could have outrun those birds. You're a psycho wiener. Let me grab my beater.
I like it how every now and then they say something. Most of it will make sense, but every now and then they throw in a slick little bar where it's like makes no sense to everything else they're saying. It's slick.
Stop it, please.
Come on, man, quit that banging. What's that stank? You put a fish in our basket. Oh yeah, I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time's right. Birds back your face. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that.
Oh, that sounds creepy as hell.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. I was like, that log had a child.
Oh my God. How fucking stupid can it get?
Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there, screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls, both your knees. of pitchy. Didn't like it? Listen, man, I'm not your friend. Don't fall asleep.
Oh,
Fall asleep.
I was not expecting that at the end. That was it. Don't fall asleep. I'll get you, bitch. Oh shit, man. Empire Strikes Back, one of the all-time great movies. From a comic book nerd, anyways. That was pretty funny. Don't get me wrong, I've seen funnier ones. But like I said, first time I've seen one in song form, Yoda, that little puppet version of Yoda, it just adds to the humor behind it. When he was like, that shit had me cracking up. This whole video had me cracking up. Guys, if y'all know any other videos like this you'd like me to react to, you can drop that in the comments. That'd be greatly appreciated. If you like my reaction, you can give us a subscribe, hit that bell. We're going to be dropping videos every day. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. We'll be back soon from the smoke section. Bang, bang.